How to fix Instagram feed not showing new post. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now a lot of times the major reason could be the fact that you do not have a latest update of Instagram. So let's launch Play Store application on our device and check if we have the latest version of the Instagram application. So let's search for Instagram over here, and as you search for it you'll be able to see the option over here and it says open as of now. So it means that we have the latest version of the application. So whenever you have an update available, it will show as an update, but now since we do not have that option, it means we have the latest version. So what we can do is we can just go back to the home screen, make a long press on Instagram application and then tap on app info. As you tap on app info, you'll be able to see this new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen over here. So let's select on clear data and simply tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Now you can just relaunch the Instagram application and this might definitely help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.